Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly. Whether you're polishing up an important email, refining a blog post, or ensuring your documents are error-free, Grammarly is an incredibly powerful tool that helps you write with confidence and clarity. Let's walk through how to get started and make the most of its features. First, you'll want to open up your browser and navigate to www.grammarly.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In option and enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first, but it only takes a moment. After signing in, you'll be taken directly to your Grammarly dashboard. This is your central hub where all your documents and writing projects will be stored and accessible whenever you need them. Now that you're signed in and your dashboard has loaded, it's time to actually start using Grammarly. There are a couple of ways you can do this depending on your workflow. If you already have a document or article you want to check, you can upload it directly to Grammarly. Alternatively, Grammarly works seamlessly with several popular apps like Google Docs and Microsoft Word, which are among the most commonly used word processing platforms. If you'd like to install Grammarly on these apps, simply access the Apps section from the left side menu of your dashboard. This will guide you through the installation process so you can use Grammarly's features right inside those applications. However, if you have a digital copy of your article or document ready to go, just click on Docs from the main dashboard. From there, look for the Upload button. Clicking it will open a File Explorer window where you can browse your computer, select the document or article you want to work on, and upload it directly to Grammarly. Once your document is uploaded, click on it to open it up. You'll be directed straight to Grammarly's editor page, and this is where the magic happens. From here, you have complete freedom to edit your text and take advantage of all the powerful tools Grammarly offers. You'll find functions like Humanize, which helps make AI-generated text sound more natural, Paraphrase, which rewrites sentences for clarity or style, Proofread, which catches grammar and spelling errors, and even a plagiarism checker to ensure your content is original. To access all these suggestions and tools, look at the right side menu. This panel displays all the possible help and suggestions Grammarly has identified in your document. It's designed to guide you through improving your writing step by step, making it easy to understand what needs fixing and why. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Grammarly and learned how to upload and edit your documents using its suite of powerful writing tools. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.